Introducing our all-new innovative LED ball pit. Ball pits have been used as a tried-and-true method of sensory integration play for kiddos for years. Trusted by parents, teachers, and therapists, ball pits are a great sensory tool, and our new LED ball pit takes that to the next level. Created out of the same durable, industrial-grade materials of our fan-favorite ball pits, our all-new LED ball pit can help teach your kiddo fine motor skills, sensory integration, color identification, executive planning, and can help them decompress after a long day with the soothing LED lights and vibrotactile music option. Illuminated by LED lights on the floor of the ball pit, the engaging color shift creates a captivating sensory experience unlike anything else. To increase the multi-sensory environment, all you have to do is simply plug in a phone or an iPod and listen to whatever music you want to. You can shop our LED ball pits and more at eSpecialneeds.com.